Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be speaking about how to use the law of attraction to get money. Let's all talk about that and so much more right now. Here we go. Well, hey everyone, it's Tom the Furry Hat Guy. Welcome to episode 7 of this series. Now, we're going to be speaking today on how to use the law of attraction to get money. Is first off, understanding what the law of attraction is. Like, what is this law? And here's how I can explain it to you in a nutshell. So, like attracts like. And then once like attracts like, they come together, they attract each other through thoughts, feelings, and vibrations. That's it. You don't have to make it any more difficult than that. So what you do is you think about what you want, you feel about what you want, and you vibrate with it on a quantum level. And then magically it can come to you. Now the thing is that you can attract things whether positive or negative. The universe absolutely does not know the difference. They're gonna vibrate with you whether you're thinking a negative thought or a positive thought. You just have to make sure you're always thinking the positive thoughts so you get positive experiences. Because positive stuff in, positive stuff out. Negative stuff's in, negative stuff out. So I'd rather think about the positive most of the time so that you can always get the positive stuff coming out. Now the second way that you can actually use the law of attraction to help you get money is through sleeping. But most people think, well, am I going to use the law of attraction through sleeping? Well, the way that you do that is you can use 8-hour sleep wealth meditations. So as you're sleeping out through the day, you can be laying down, fast asleep, and then you could be listening to high vibrational music. You could be listening to vibrational affirmations while you're sleeping. And as these affirmations or the sleep music is raising your vibration and increasing your wealth frequency, you will begin to attract within your subconscious mind the thoughts, feelings, and ideas that are going to help you attract money to you. Now, you're not going to wake up and all of a sudden there's going to be $1 billion in your account, but you will attract simple ideas, trainers, mentors, programs, whatever you want, that are going to help you attract the money into your bank account even faster. So what I always say that we actually have, you can probably click right up here into this area, or I'll have it right here under the description area, where you can actually use one of our wealth sleep meditations, where you can just play it all throughout the night. And as you're sleeping all throughout the night, all these wealth vibrations are going through you, going through you, going through you. Because I don't know if you guys knew this, but the subconscious mind is always awake 24 hours a day. And you have to understand that the subconscious mind is almost like the whole entire makeup of your entire body, almost 99.9% of your entire body. The 0.1% is the conscious mind, which is kind of like the pimple on a gnat's ass. But yeah, so that's usually the conscious mind. Now the third way to use the law of attraction to help you get money is you want to surround yourself with 5 different people who are more successful than you are. Now most people think to themselves, how am I going to surround myself with successful people if I'm broke all the time and all the people I hang out with are always broke? They don't make a lot of money, they're always broke, they don't even make enough to pay their bills, they don't even make enough to even pay their car note. Well, the thing is that you can surround yourself with high vibrational people by doing stuff by going on YouTube videos like this, like watching a ton of my videos, and you could be watching these videos and watching them every single day and raising your vibration every single day. And then I want you to pick out 4 other people that you really like and admire on the internet where they're more successful than you are, and surround yourself with their content. You know, every single day, plug into their content, motivational content. Pick out the ones that identify with your beliefs and your belief systems the most. Because the more you do that and you surround yourself with those types of people, and you kind of get rid of all the people that have just been bringing you down. They like to gossip about people, they like to make fun of others, they like to bring them down and just lower the vibration of your vibration. Well, the thing is that if you hang around those people a lot, you become a part of the 5 people you hang around with most. So if that's the case, then you have to start making new friends or start surrounding yourself with different types of people that are sharing positive, uplifting belief systems that are going to help raise your vibration so that you can manifest what you want even faster. So I always remember when I was, first learning about this stuff about 20 years ago, I didn't have a lot of rich friends. I didn't have a lot of rich mentors. I didn't have a lot of rich trainers, nothing like that. All I had is an unstoppable work ethic and a heart to succeed. And so what I did is, at the time, they didn't have YouTube 20 years ago. So what I had to do is I actually had to buy books at the bookstore. So I would find 5 different authors that I really, really liked. And what I did is every single day I was just reading a chapter a day of their books. And through that, I would just start taking notes every single day. Not on computer, I would actually write it out, because they say when you write something, you actually get it into your motor responses. So if you're gonna be taking notes from a book, stuff that you like, actually write it out. And if the more you write it, the more you're gonna feel like you're having it into your motor responses. So that's something that I did that really, really helped me out, was surround myself with 5 different motivational authors or content creators that are highly successful and that are teaching me how to become successful in anything I want within business, or maybe something that I want to learn, maybe content creation. It could be in, cooking food. I would if I was going to be looking at cooking food, I would surround myself with cooking videos and really, really start learning different dishes and things like that. Because even with cooking food, what I've actually learned is, when people tell me, oh, I can't cook. Well, no, because cooking is not about cooking. Cooking is about following directions, because all you're doing is getting ingredients, you're getting times, and you're getting measurements. That's all you're doing. It's basically following directions. All the rest is laziness of people just giving excuses. The people that can cook, they don't give excuses, they get results. Now, the 4th way to use the law of attraction to help you get money is by realizing that the universe does not know whether whatever you say is positive or negative. What the universe understands is that you are raising yourself at different frequencies. So if you're raising yourself on a negative graph, you're saying, oh my God, I'm so depressed, I'm so sad about things, oh my God, I can't do anything, it's so impossible, I can't do this, I can't do that, I can't do this. I mean, look at when I start saying those words, look at my posture. It's down like this. Am I gonna even manifest anything like that? But then put your posture back, shoulders back like this, and start saying, you know what? I'm grateful I'm alive. I'm grateful I can breathe. I'm grateful I can see. I'm grateful I have a roof over my head. I'm grateful I have air to breathe. And as you can see that, notice I just popped out 5 things I'm grateful for that are just natural things I use every single day. Or I just walk around saying, you know what? I am so happy and grateful now that I have this life and I have a nice bed to wake up to, where there's people out there these days that are sleeping in tents these days. And the thing is that if you're waking up in a bed and you have a roof over your head, you have food to eat, you have air to breathe, and you have things and luxuries that other people don't have, you need to be grateful for those little things, because the power of gratitude alone is going to help raise your vibration up, and you're going to manifest what you want even faster. But most of the people these days, they focus on things they don't have. So the universe keeps giving them things they don't have. They keep going, oh, I'm so good. And when that happens is that your shoulders slump, your posture goes low, your vibration gets low, and you manifest slower. But I don't know about you, but I want to manifest faster. So I always say, focus on the power of gratitude most, because remember, the universe does not understand what is positive or negative. It only listens to the power of your vibration. Which brings me to the 5th way, having the awareness of what's going on between your eyes and ears, okay? Awareness is one of the biggest things that you want to really, really be aware of. You need to be aware of foods you eat. You need to be aware of the ingredients that are in the foods. A quick story about that is whenever I go to a grocery store, I don't ever buy anything that's in the middle of the sections. I'm always buying what's on the walls, because on the ingredients, on the ones by the walls, is what? The fruits, the veggies, the meats, the fish, the chicken, things like that. Things that have like 1 or 2 ingredients to it. Not things that I open up a package and there's like 50 different ingredients in it, and I'm putting that inside my temple, my body. And that's just one thing about having awareness between your eyes and ears. But also certain words that you're saying, like the words like try. Even the great Yoda even said in the movie Star Wars, try you mustn't, do you must. So that's one of the words I have eliminated out of my vocabulary. So another word is if. Well, if it happens, if. Oh my God, if it happens, well, if, oh, if it happens. If you're just constantly saying if, you're constantly in a series of doubt between your eyes and ears. Another word that I've eliminated out of my mind is the word hope. Because if I'm like, well, I hope it works. I hope it does. Well, I hope. And if I'm constantly saying, I hope, well then what's gonna happen? You're gonna constantly be in this hoping state that you're not gonna be like, you know what? I believe in my heart. I know it's gonna happen. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but I believe it. I just believe it's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen. You have to believe with certainty, consistency, and full belief system within yourself, within your body, mind, heart, soul, and spirit, that it's gonna happen. And you have to make it happen. Because the thing is, if you just sit there like, then nothing's ever gonna happen. You have to make sure that you put full belief and full power into what you want. And just believe, even when those days are tough. You have to look inside yourself and say, it hasn't happened, but I'm just happy and grateful that it has happened. I'm happy and grateful now that I have this. I'm happy and grateful now that I got this. I'm happy and grateful now that I have this. I have it in my hands. I can feel it. I can smell it. I can taste it. And I have it. It's mine. It's real. Everything, all my senses, because like attracts like. And when like attracts like, you receive it even faster. So just the little awareness between your eyes and ears can help you manifest even faster in the ways that you want to at a quicker speed. So you guys learned the 5 ways on how to use the law of attraction to get money. I want you to go ahead and comment down below, and I want you to share with me in the comments which one was your favorite. Go ahead and also make sure that you click a like so that the algorithm can pick up this video, and make sure that people can see it so they can learn the 5 ways to use the law of attraction to get money. This is Tom the Furry Hat Guy signing out. We'll see you guys on episode 8. God bless everybody.